It's time that you understand. Don't never count on anybody else, and this or any other land. I once hoped for friendship, to find a place among my kind, but it's the words, the kindish wishes of someone who was blind. Open up your eyes, see the world from where I stand. Me and also my dear, you can't at my command. Open up your eyes, give up your sweet fantasy land. It's time to grow up and get wise. Come now, little one, open up your eyes.
We'll stop us the same with simple naive dress, shooting from the many ways till it's not fair or just. But at the films of moments, a simple truth that you must face. If you depend on others, you'll never find your place. And as you take the first step upon a pose that all your own,
You see it all so clearly. The best way to survive is all alone. Open up your eyes.